So a few things before I put this stuff back, start putting it back together here. There's my new pump and new lock ring or whatever it is. I used undercoat and I sprayed the crap out of it, so hopefully it never rusts again for as long as I own it. And one tank strap was okay, but the other one was rotted when I got under there as soon as I took the cover off. But they do make aftermarket ones. I just coated these too. This is a Spectra brand. I think the part number was ST501. It's for the Hummer. Thank God. And I watched some other videos on how to get that cover off, and everybody was drilling out these rivets to get this cover off. I was like, there's no way. There's got to be a way. So I reached up, and lo and behold, I found that had 10mm nut on it, and I took it off, and that's all it took. It didn't have to bust out no rivets. This is my old pump, by the way. I can't tell you where the ring was. That came off in pieces. It was rotted right out. But yeah, this will be back together in a few hours. I'm going to take my lower bolt out and at least get this one in today too. The APOC Industries adjustable control arm. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And if you're going to do a pump, I'd undercoat it too. Screw it. Keep the rust off it. Put a new filter in. Just about ready to go. Stop putting it back in. Later.